Alright, how's it everyone? Welcome back to another video on the channel. If you're new to watching, my name's Adam. Recently bought this 2003 VY Senator off the original owner. Had it 23 years. Kept it really mint, garaged it its whole life, but he never really put too much effort into it, just sort of drove it. It's sitting at 99,591 kilometers. If anyone did see the last video, we're just tidying up the interior and the engine bay. But now I'm super excited. As you might have seen at the end of the last video, scored a catback exhaust for this car. I guess some of the usual brands you'd put on is like X-Force in New Zealand, but they're sort of $1,200-1,300. I was just going to spend the money and get one new, but then I saw this Kobe catback exhaust pop up. Dude only wanted $350 for it on Marketplace. So yeah, I was super lucky and scored that. Was also sort of cool. The twin exhaust tip for the Senator, I thought it would always be cool to get like an oval exit sort of exhaust. You can see this one, it's sort of a bit out of it, but yeah, I'm super excited to see what that'll sort of look like. So I did buy some paint just to give this exhaust a quick little mint up, and then we will chuck it on the lift and get it on the car, see what it sounds like. I will quickly do a sound comparison of what it sounds like now, because I'm really hoping it sort of wakes up a bit. It is whisper quiet at the moment, so let's get into it. Warm start up, but I wasn't recording when I just painted the top side of this, but we'll flip it over, paint the rest. Right, it's looking way better now. Just a lick of paint and cleaned up those mufflers. Obviously it doesn't really matter, it's going to be underneath the car, but it just looks a little bit nicer, so let's get that on the car. Just wind up to it. Right, exhaust here. So yeah, we just got on a lift, took Dad and I just trying to figure out how to get it without hitting the side skirts. We've got it sussed. Just chuck these extra pieces in there, which is good to know. Here's the original exhaust, so obviously massive muffler, 2.5 inch, down into those sort of big mufflers there, and then that's where it's going to meet up. So a bit better in that view actually. It's pretty tidy under here. Wait, are we working the wrong way? Should we be doing the back first?
You say.
Well, it's getting hard.
No, that's about right.
Then I can just pull it off those. So let me just put a bit of chain lube on them, just to loosen them up a bit again.
Right, now okay, cool. Okay, you got it? Fuck, that's heavy.
Yeah.
Alright, now we start. Alright.
Alright, exhaust is off. Wasn't too hard, just came off in one. Slipped it over, so you can see, like, look at the size of the muffler on that one edge of this one, so I'm super excited to see what this sounds like. But we're just going to lower it down, and because I'd be keen as to see what it sounds like with no exhaust on it at all. So let's give that a go.
Hung. Oh. Right. Oh. I can't believe you just played things to the back of it.
Just finished bolting it up, so it's looking pretty good. The only issue is that it's touching on the bumper, and then it's also not sitting far enough out. It's still sitting in a bit, which is a bit of a shame, but I could probably just get someone, it's mild stairs, might just get someone to probably just extend the tip out a little bit, put a bit more distance in there. So yeah, and then it's still, it's sitting on it, but I might just get some of that heat sort of tape for it, and should hopefully be right. Right, yeah, so you can sort of see the fitment on the back, it's not right, it just looks weird. I do really like the oval sort of tip on it, but yeah, this one was off a VX Club Sport, so I sort of anticipated it might not sit just right, because these bumpers do sit quite far out, but that's all good. We'll just get someone to wear a little extension in there, get it to sit sort of perfect, and then we'll lay a strip over the underneath of that as well, just to protect it. So sweet. All right, it's the next day now. Of course, it wasn't recording when I did the first start and everything last night. I'll just quickly set the I'll set the camera up now, and so you guys can sort of hear what it now sounds like. It's not too loud, not as loud as I almost thought it might be, but still a good note. Sort of chop in, you guys can see the comparison. Sounds better. Not too loud. Maybe do the cat delete or something. As you can tell from the video, it doesn't make massive difference, but it is definitely more throaty, and you know, sort of gives it a good note. Get it sort of sitting like there, or even like a little bit out, which that would, you know, look a lot better. Yeah, as I said, it was off VX Club Sport, which makes sense why it's not. Those bumpers sort of fold in. These have a little bit more of a sort of lip on them. But I do like the oval tip. It's sort of like the opposite D's. So, which looks cool. So yeah, I'll probably end out today's video here. Hope you guys have all enjoyed watching. In the next video, we're going to get on to more of sort of restoration stuff. I want to get in and like sort of really tidy up the inside of the brakes and everything. You can see, like these bits of the calipers can be, I need to repaint and just sort those out, because that'll sort of just make a little difference. It's honestly just the little touches with the stuff, and then it's sort of just saving at the minute for a new set of rims, and it's going to be pretty generic, the wheel I'm going to put on the Senator, but the style of wheel that I really wanted to put on it was like 4 or 5 grand just for the rims, and I'd had to get them out of Australia, so we'll wait for a little bit for that. I will end up getting that set, but just in time. So I'll leave it here. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cheers.